There's lots of trade setups that's going to form that I'm not going to be participating in, but I can still engage them and show you that this is what it does. I'm looking for my own setups. This morning, that may have been your setup. But because I didn't do a live trade in it, but I did execute with a demo, don't look at that and say, well, ICT didn't take that with a live account, so I probably shouldn't use this as my model. No, don't do that. Don't fucking do that. Because if you saw this forming before I even put my tweet out, you have found your model. That's the one you lock onto. Fuck what ICT says. You found it. You know what the fuck you're looking for now. Don't let anybody, especially me, because I'm not trying to discourage anybody. Once you find your own niche in this, that's it. Don't let me change it. Don't let me influence any of that. Because once you find that one, that's what everybody's looking for. That one thing, that model, that approach, the way the chart looks, the time frame that you're looking for it to form in, the logic behind all that shit. Once you have that, stop looking. Stop trying to tinker with it. Stop fucking around with it. It works. Just look for it to continuously deliver. And you're going to have losing trades with that. Some of my better models still have losing trades, folks. There's no perfect trading. There isn't. It doesn't exist. But if you have something that you see based on what you learned, don't change it. Don't look for me to add more spice to it. You don't need to kick it up a notch. You want it to be simple, easy, that is so obvious in the chart that your eye goes right to it. Don't let me fuck that up for you, because I don't know that you're doing it, so it's not intentional if it happens. But just know this. If you have something that's in your trading that you've been doing and it's working, don't tinker around with it. Don't mess with it. Don't try to add more to it. Just work with it, because experience will guide you and tell you what you should be doing. Because right now, so many of you are just scratching the surface of finding consistency. And as I mentioned before, that's a very dangerous location for a developing student. In trading, you have all these feelings of wanting to go out there and conquer the world and over leverage because you got something that works. And now you're telling yourself, well, I know I'm never going to continuously do over leveraging, but damn it, I got to do it this time because I just want to know what it feels like to make a big trade. And then it kicks you in the ass, and then you feel demoralized. And then you'll second guess the setup again when it forms, and you'll feel like it ain't worth taking it because to use less leverage, because now you have drawdown. It feeds on itself. You have scared, fearful money, and that can't make money. So all these things, it's a balancing act. I many times use this expression in my private group. It's like plate spinning. You ever seen a plate spinner? They take the little dowel rod up here on the stage and they take a plate and they spin the plate around on top of the dowel. And they got 20, 30, 50 of them all at one time. They had to keep every plate spinning, running around and seeing which one's wobbling, and then go there and spin it some more. That's what profitable, consistent trading is like. You're going to balance all this bullshit. And now, some of you want to bring in, look at the shit that I get. And look at what I give away. And look what I've proven. And I still catch shit. So you're asking yourself, developing, you want to get out here in the world of social media where all these motherfuckers are miserable cretins. They're this monster fucking shitbaggers, okay? They literally hate their fucking life. They live to go on social media to piss on everybody else. That's what makes them feel good. Some of you guys want that so bad, and you're not ready for it. You're not ready for it, okay? You're not, because that's a drain. It's a drain on your attention. It's a drain on your focus. And you don't need that in your early development. Now, honestly, nobody really needs it at all. It's toxic as shit. So you got to ask yourself, why are you here? Are you here waiting for me to make a mistake so you can say, hi, you're a fucking clown, see, you're a fool, and ignore everything else I've been doing all year long? Because that's what I'm going to say if you do it. And it'll be crickets. I'm going to lose. It'll happen. But what are you doing with the information I'm giving you right now? Are you here to try to learn? Because if you're here to try to learn, I promise you, I'm here to help you do that. I'm here to fucking help you do that. I literally walk around wanting more people to say, you know what? I'm making a change. It's going to take some work. It's going to take some effort. And nobody else fucking believes in this at all. And I'm still going to dig into this. That's my audience. That's my audience. Not the people that are on the fence, the wishy-washy, well, you know, he's got something to prove to me. I ain't got a fucking thing to prove to you. I don't owe you shit. I don't owe any of you any fucking thing. Nothing. I'm sitting here spending my personal time talking to people that I don't even know fuck who you are. I don't know you. I'm never going to meet you. I don't owe you shit. I love sharing, but I can't stand these entitlement motherfuckers that come to my fucking social media, or they email me, or they leave comments on my YouTube channel with this level of entitlement, like I owe you more. Fuck, I owe you nothing. I owe you nothing. You owe me something, bitch. There you go. You owe me something. Fucking respect. And if I don't get it, fuck off. I don't need you. I don't want you to fucking be a part of my mentorship group. I don't need you to be watching my fucking videos. I don't care about your opinion. Okay? But I'm here for the fucking smoke. I'm here for it. They said I was going to get ran off of Twitter in a week. Tom Dante, you motherfucker. Bring your bitch ass over here. You can't trade. Period. Prove me wrong. Oh shit, he went there. Yeah, I did. Told ya, I got a list. I got a fucking list in 2022. Told you the second half of this year. It's going to be fun. And I'm going to offend a whole lot of you. I don't give a shit. I got a chip on my shoulder. And I'm smoothing it out in public. So let's see. Going forward, you're either going to look at what I'm teaching you and use it, or you're not. If you're profitable, you know how to trade already, and you're just in here for curiosity's sake and just fun, okay, that's cool, I get it. I do the same thing. I look at people on YouTube, I see what they're doing. They say they're making money. You know, they show MT4 statements and shit. You know, I don't have any faith in all that. You know, once, you know, Adam Webb revealed that people can go in there and mess around with the MT4, that's why I left it. I was like, fuck that. Nobody's going to be able to say that about me. And they still did. They still do. I don't even use MT4. And now how do you explain everybody that's using what I taught? And they're doing it with TradingView, and they're doing it with NinjaTrader. IC Markets, Oanda, AMP. See, at some point, you're going to have to call bullshit on the bullshit. And that's what I sat down with last year. I said, you know, how do I go out here and bring everybody's attention to the truth and not offend everyone? Because I have a paid group, obviously. And believe me, they're fearful that I'm going to go out here and just start going nuts with teaching everything they've been taught. Have I? No. I've done enough where if you were in mentorship, this is a model that you would have come to if you just did what I told you to do. This fair value gap, I'm going to tell you this also, because there's a lot of people that are still trying to buy my videos on the pirate. I promise you, folks, I swear to God Almighty, if you buy this stuff from other people, you're going to regret it. You're going to regret it. Do a chargeback right now if you did it. Do a claim against the fucking shit. Get your money back, okay? Because I promise you, what I teach the rest of this year, just with the model you've been taught, it's more clear, more to the point than anything I've done in the private group. The private group was me giving them overload of everything. I dumped everything in them, and they still had to come up with their own model. That's why a lot of people bitch. Oh, there is no method. There's a method there, but you have to put the things together like I told you. I gave you instructions how to do it. And to prove that it works, because I had two people in the beginning of the year say, oh, you know, this shit doesn't work. I want my money back. I said, prove to me that doesn't work. Because I'm going to go out on the internet and prove it with a live account. And I'm also going to have people that are strangers doing it right from the YouTube channel, and they're proving it's profitable. So they've been canceled too. My mentorship group, don't ask me to join because you can't, okay? Believe me, if I was broke, I know I would be making millions of dollars again every single month. I don't need to do that. It's not arrogance, it's the fucking facts. I don't need your fucking money. I don't need any more money. I got more money than I'm ever gonna fucking need the rest of my life, okay? There's my net worth answer for y'all. People out there pretending I'm fucking broke. I downsize. I live like this because I don't want to be among the rich where they're going to go after these motherfuckers. I'm living amongst the average person. And everybody here knows where my address is. Guess what? I don't give a fuck. don't care. I ain't scared because you know where I live at. You just know where one residence is. If shit gets deep, I won't be in that house. I'll be in something else that I'm not going to talk about. But I'm living among the average people now for a reason, because they're going to eat the rich. And I don't want to be amongst that. I want to be a gray man. But wanting to join my private mentorship group or buying Instagram guys that are selling videos, 90% of these guys, they bought somebody else's copies and somebody else's copies and somebody else's copies. And the only thing you're going to get from them is a video that was talking about something at that time that it isn't going to help you. It was only beneficial to people. Like, for instance, when you watched me do that tweet this morning and I outlined the framework, can you use that right now? Fuck no, you can't use it right now. But see, I understand where you are mentally and psychologically about wanting to learn. Okay? Listen very carefully. Do not buy videos from anyone. I promise you, you will not learn it that way. Because I sat down, I got on people's nerves in the mentorship because I would talk like this in the lessons. They're like, "Oh, could you just not do that?" Fuck you. Fuck you. Don't tell me what to do. This is my fucking house. I'm going to teach the way I'm going to teach. I'm going to repeat as much as I fucking want to repeat on what I want to repeat, period. Don't tell me. Don't come to fucking me tell me how I'm going to fucking teach my shit. You don't want to learn it? Get the fuck out of here. They didn't want that shit in the videos because they can't edit it out. They can't edit it. They want to be able to just sell the videos as they are because I made hundreds and hundreds of them. And it's going to be in a video where it says this shit is only going to work for you right now. And I taught that way. It had an expiration on it. What's that mean? That the logic that I was teaching in those individual lessons, you had to be with me right then and there. If you weren't, you can't get anything out of it. Ingenious, isn't it? Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Always so fucking arrogant. No, not all the time. But I am being honest. So don't waste your money, okay? Believe me, don't waste your fucking money. What you're getting on YouTube and the things I'm sharing on Twitter are more right to the point than anything I've done in my private group, period. My private group has every fucking tool they would ever need, but they still have to come up with a way where they're going to bring it together for themselves. And some of you might be thinking, man, I'm glad I didn't buy that. Good. That's how you should feel about it. But the students I have in here that are lazy that paid me, and I had them, they literally did not do the things I told them to do. They'll swear up and down, oh, I did this, I did that, I studied, I back tested, but you didn't put the work into building the model of your own. Like, what did I do with this model on YouTube? Made it simple, which is what I told everybody in mentorship to do. Pick one PD array. What's a PD array? It's a premium discount array. That means wherever the market price is, above it, they're premiums, and below it's a discount. What is a PD array specifically? Order block, a breaker, fair value gap. There are just three. There's other ones, but predominantly that's it. You only need one PD array to make your model. If you take the fair value gap out, take that out of the 2022 mentorship and replace it with my bearish breaker or bullish breaker, you have a model. Everything, all things being equal, exactly the way I taught it, change fair value gap to breaker. Now you have another model. Teach me another model, ICT. I just fucking did, just like that. But it doesn't feel like a model for someone that's new, that haven't spent any time with me, have looked at price action, studied how price delivers on these sessions in the morning, in the afternoon, how they work with the weekly range. It's going to feel alien to them. It's going to feel like it's incomplete. Oh, ICT's holding something back. That motherfucker, he's so arrogant. He holds it back. He loves to hold it and dangle it in front of you. When I see that shit, these are people that are clowns, okay? They have never really done the work, and they're the ones that want me to spoon feed them, and I'm not going to fucking do it. And you shouldn't want me to. Look at how much growth these people, I don't even train, in my private group. These are people that just simply go onto the YouTube channel. And they're sharing shit in their own tweets before I even do anything with it. They're sharing it. They're putting in the trades. They're explaining in detail what they're expecting. And man, let me tell you something. I ain't got no fucking shame telling you this. I have a mentorship group with a shit ton of people in it. I have better feedback on Twitter and in my comment section on YouTube than I have in my private mentorship group. So why the fuck are you worrying about jumping in that? Don't think that you got to do that. You are being mentored right now for free. I'm still talking to you right here. No money and no ads. No ad revenue, no nothing. I'm here because I give a fuck. I care. I want you to succeed because I get off on it. I walk around like a fucking peacock when I see people proving that they're taking home real money. Not the demo account. I like that. But when they finally get to that stage where they're really taking money and it's going into their bank account and they're making ends meet, fucking right, that fucking feels good. That feels amazing. When I share that with my wife, she's like, wow. It makes you wonder what they're thinking, like if they didn't do this. That's exactly right. That's what I'm thinking. Like, you don't even know what you're capable of yet. For those of you sitting on the fence or you just found me, you know, what's this guy all about? Man, I'm about winning. And I'm about sharing that skill set. That's what I'm about. And I'm about to go get lunch. So we're going to close this one here because I've been going for a long time. My Highlander actually turned itself off. I've been sitting here too long. Maybe that's a sign. Wrap it up, bitch. You talk too much. But anyway, in short, in closing, there's one framework that I provide. That means it's one setup, one bias, one way. Okay. If I call a level above the market price and I say buy side, referencing that at all, then you concern yourself with, you know, something going higher. There was nothing mentioned at all, not one fucking thing up above the market price. Everything was below. And I've already taught you that we use fair value guess because we're not supply and demand. Okay, we're not supply and demand. We're not looking at dumb shit that, you know, that makes no sense. We use the things that I teach you that the algorithm is going to refer back to. Don't believe me? Look at your 5-minute chart and look at the very first fair value gap below market price where I had it annotated partial here. When it went below it, where did it go back up to? That very fucking level. Did it go past it? No, went right into it because the algorithm sees that. It refers back to it.